Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Ali Shalmo here. Moment of truth. We are going to test the DIY boat for its floating, sealing, and see how much it goes in the water, how it performs, how is it, and if everything is good, and comes the part for electric motor installation. So there is the baby. I also brought the surfboard for the floating test. Man, I don't know how cold is water, but I have a spare cloth as well. Much better.
Oh.
Okay, this is what I want to put inside the boat, but I feel that the width is not enough. It's not wide enough. Let's get to work, and I believe the Saker counter gauge, it's time for you to start working. The floor seems to fit very well. Now, the only parts down there, I need to cut the exact contours at this left and right, just a tad of contours to cut, and this floor will fit just perfect. Well, latest update. Side rail foam installed. And yes, 2 seats are installed as well. Just need to tighten them nicely. And the storage space, our floor, and the boat is now just waiting for the 3D printed parts to finish 3D printing, and I will install the electric motors. We are also building a trolley, kind of small trailer to pull it behind the car, and we can take this baby, this poxy baby, to the river for testing. And yes, I have to engrave the name as well on this, right? We can take the kitty for a ride as well. Meow meow. You have been fighting with someone, huh? Are you? Are you fighting with someone outside? You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right there.